Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how does the Workday application work. So first what you have to do is download the Workday application, open Google Play Store and type in Workday, and you will be able to see this application. Click on install button. Once installed, click on open. You will see this kind of interface. Now simply what you have to do is you can log in, enter your organization ID. For instance, if you work in a company, they will give you an organization ID. You have to type in there. Or if you do not have an organization ID, you can also click on the QR code button and scan the QR code of your organization. Now, if you're not able to see either of them, then what you have to do is click on find your organization ID. Now it will show you how to find your organization ID. First of all, you have to log in to your Workday account and then go to the profile menu, which is on the top right corner, and then click on my account and click on organization ID, and here you usually find your organization ID. Once you find the organization ID, you can go back and enter and log in with your account and use the Workday application. So that's how the Workday application works on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.